Kia ora whānau. You want to know how to make floating frames? I'm going to show you how. But first, I've got some nice big slabs that I found on Facebook. What a collection!
Yeah! I have to tidy it up because it's lowering the value of my neighbour's property.
From a guy called David out here in Taonga. He's a mate who has a paddock up next to the Waipoa forest, Kauri Kingdom, and found a bunch of swamp kauri 30 odd years ago, and it's just been sitting in the back of his property. So whoa.
Professional, isn't it?
Yeah. That's a slab. Measure it up. Want to keep the length as much as possible. Get a couple of rips out of this. How's it? Made a few in my time now, but for exhibitions in the past out of mostly native timber, so try and keep it with the essence and the wairoa of the painting. Capturing the landscape, using the landscape, recycled timber, always frame it and finish it off. There's a reason why paintings have frames. It definitely adds value, makes it look more complete, finished, and people can definitely buy a painting because of the frame. You know, you want the product finished when you buy it, so it's actually a nice, fulfilling part of the project. So basically what you want to do is get yourself to this stage. You get to the L, and that allows you to put your canvas, allows you to lower your canvas in there, creating the floating effect. So we've got all the L's, just need to miter them now. Cut the 45 degree, but then we add 10 mil either side to give it 10 mils on each edge of flotation. Let it rip. Alright, all the cuts are pretty much done, apart from the final little biscuit. Find yourself a nice flat surface. This is a bit of a makeshift one. Get the nice outdoor wood glue. Put on 4 pieces. Give them a sand and oil. You can see there's some sort of continuity of grains there. Now for this one. Get a DeWalt clamp strap out. You can get these from Mitre 10 for like $40. Test run. Get it all approx, clamps roughly in place. And leave it to the morning. Right. Strop off. See my biscuits?
Arrowroot biscuits.
I could probably do it with a skill saw if you're really careful, but just like a biscuit machine. Run it on the 45, 10 mil, just to give it that extra bit of strength. Because we've got Kauri biscuits. Nice. Whoa. Because once they're mounted on the canvas, they'll be sweet.
Trish asleep.
Oh,
I
nice.
tried napping with him, but no.
You're getting there though.